Hey, Trent, welcome to the show.
Happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Nice, man, coming in from Vegas. So, we're excited to hear from you. And, having a good business broker, somebody that not only knows buy side and sell side and those things, it's mission critical because, as you know, there's a lot of business brokers out there. There's a lot of people in the area, and just because there's a lot doesn't mean there's a lot of good. And so there's a lot of challenges that are new listeners that are trying to buy a business, working with a broker, what they need to know. So, man, tell us about your background. Let's jump into it.
Yeah, so it's interesting because mentioning a lot of these business brokers we were talking about before, just some of them are honestly so bad they're doing a disservice for buyers and sellers. My background was I got fed up dealing with business brokers, having sold two of my own businesses. That by the time I sold the second one, I'm like, you know what? I've got an accounting undergraduate. I did started my master's of finance at Harvard, transferred over Texas A&M into the MBA program. I've got the background, I've got the experience. I think I could do a better job than these guys that I keep running into. And after I had sold my second business, I'm like, I'm time to get into it. So I went and got
Nice.
licensed, credentialed as both a business appraiser and a business broker, so that I could really understand not just taking a business to market, but properly valuing it